Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And in this video we're going to unbox and then, after I've been using them for a while, review this set of power banks. It's actually a 2-pack of power banks which I purchased on Amazon UK. These are two 10,000 mAh power bank which have USB-C input and output, and they're from a brand called Paidashu. I've never heard of Paidashu before. I will need to put these through their paces and see what Paidashu is like as a brand. But in terms of packaging, it's this typical unbranded white label type packaging that just gives you some generic details but nothing actually real about the product, and no branding whatsoever. It's all unbranded. So let's open up the packaging. No need to use my jerry rig everything knife. Right, starting off we have a couple of power banks as expected, and here I have a USB-A to USB Type-C cable. And is there another one? Let's find out. It's always a bit of a challenge with these bits of packaging. Yes, there is another one. I haven't got to it yet. There we go. So yeah, you've got two USB-A to USB Type-C cables. Right then, quick review of the power bank. It's a plastic power bank. It's got some branding on the power bank itself, but we'll leave it at that. I'll put them through their paces and get back to you with a full review. See you soon. Okay then, so I'm back months later, approximately 6 months later. I have been using the Paidashu power banks as I travelled, as I went for walks, and just in general everyday use. The two power banks are obviously very affordable. They're even more affordable than they were when I purchased them earlier in the year. So for two power banks, not just the one, for a very reasonable price, check the link out in the description for the current price on Amazon, you get two fast charging power banks. Now, 22.5 watts is achievable, but in very, very limited conditions. For example, I've managed to get close to that with the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 when it was extremely low in charge, and when I plugged in after a couple of minutes, it did go up to over 20 watts, as measured with my McDodo power cable, which we previously reviewed here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel, as well as with my Chuki measurement device. Now, the two power banks are pretty straightforward. They feel a bit light because they are slightly bigger body than other power banks in the same price range, but they have a nice textured finish, both of them, which means that it's very handy for when you're walking around with your phone on top of the power bank and the short cable connecting the two devices, because it means it's not slippy. That's a good thing in my view. Though that textured finish does also get prone to scratches, so just be aware of that. And so it's not the best power bank out there, but it does a decent job, and for the price, which is very, very reasonable, I think it's still a good buy, one I could recommend. So, thanks to my pocket money for purchasing this on Amazon. There's no payment from Paidashu for the making of this video. I just thought I'd see what a reasonably priced 2-pack of power banks would provide in terms of service. Perfectly normal, worked and charged from about 20% to 80% my Google Pixel in one charge. So one charge of the power bank gives you 20 to 80%, and then the lights flash and it doesn't charge anymore. That's an idea of how much it does. With other devices it varies, and it does make a difference in what temperature you're using. Anyway, as I said earlier, I'll leave the links in the description to where you too can purchase these Paidashu power banks. I think they are a step up from the previous 2-pack of power banks we reviewed here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel, but as I said, links in the description. And as usual, if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and anything else we think makes the travel experience better. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.